So the rest of the dog food burrito supreme. So I read all of the layers, all of the dun 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 dun, what's it called? Every word on it 3 times. I read it 3 times and I thought, oh, maybe I should call my mom and ask her. And I'm like, nah, no, there's no indication there's a dog on it at all. At all, okay? Okay, so I get the cheese. I get the avocado. I cut it up. It's already grated cheese. I was going to say I grated it, but that's a lie. I get the salad. I get the burrito thingy. I get the, I melt the fucking cheese. What is it? I didn't do tomatoes. I don't like tomatoes. I get the can of meat. Oh my god. I make this fucking, the huge ass burrito. Oh, with the sour cream. A huge, I'm talking about like this big, this, okay, so it's like, okay. And I do like, I don't know, all the meat. Oh my god. I heat it up. I go to eat it and I think it's the best thing ever. I'm like, wow, this is so good. Oh my god. I get about halfway into it and I start noticing it tastes funny. I'm like, this tastes weird. Maybe it really is dog food. Oh shit. So I call my mom up and I'm like, oh, Mom? Yes, honey? Is something the matter? No, I just wanted to ask you what the can of meat is in the refrigerator. That's dog food, right? And she replied back as very concerned. Yeah? Why? Oh, just curious, just wondering. I was just wondering, just making sure, just checking. Or I didn't say just wonder, I said just making sure. She's okay. Alright, well, we'll be back soon. Okay, I love you. Love you too. Be good. Be safe. Okay, thanks, Mom. And I'm like, oh my god. Well, I just did that. Okay, 3 weeks later, she goes, looks in the fridge for the dog food. And she's like, where'd the dog food go? And I walk in past the kitchen. I'm like, I don't know. This is a true story, too. I said it fast. I'm like, I don't know. Maybe it's still in there. She still don't know till this day. Okay. Thanks for watching part 2. Have a beautiful day.